Welcome to Tech AI. Today we're diving into our next topic, direct selection. Last time, we covered the basics of the selection tool and worked with some shapes. Today, we're advancing to the direct selection tool. So let's get right into it without delay. Direct selection, simply put, allows us to manipulate individual anchor points on paths. These anchor points are like joints in a body. They define the shape and structure of our objects. In Illustrator, every shape is built from paths. These paths are made up of anchor points connected by lines. Each anchor point is crucial, much like joints in our body, enabling us to bend and shape our designs. Using the direct selection tool, we can select these anchor points individually and adjust their positions. This flexibility allows us to reshape our objects completely, altering their appearance and structure. For instance, by selecting anchor points on a square, we can round its corners or modify its shape in various ways. The direct selection tool gives us precise control over each anchor point, empowering us to create diverse designs effortlessly. In addition to shapes, we can manipulate lines created with the line tool. These lines are composed of anchor points at each end, which can be adjusted to change the line's direction or length. To demonstrate its power, let's consider creating a box from 3 squares. By selecting and adjusting the anchor points of these squares, we can merge them into a single cohesive shape. This flexibility extends to all shapes, enabling us to experiment and create unique designs. Let's explore another creation. How about this shape, an egg? Now, this isn't quite an egg yet, but with a few adjustments, we can make it resemble one. Here's how. Using the direct selection tool, I adjust an oval shape. By selecting and pulling down the middle point slightly, I reshape it to resemble the contours of an egg. There we go. It's starting to look more like an egg now, right? Next, I'll scale it down a bit and set it aside for now. Let's craft another oval, this time aiming for a mango shape. The mango season is approaching, and I'm excited to try my hand at it. I begin by using the direct selection tool to refine the oval. I adjust the upper point, pulling out the handles to broaden it upwards. After tweaking the curves and adjusting the shape, I create a recognizable mango silhouette. It's a bit wide now, but you can refine it to make it slimmer and more curved if you prefer. Remember, we're not aiming for intricate details at this stage. It's only our second class. We'll keep it simple for now and gradually tackle more complex designs. Moving on, I create another oval and use the anchor point tool within the pen tool set to add some points. This results in a quirky, crumpled leaf-like shape. After a slight rotation, I position it alongside the mango. These exercises showcase the versatility of the direct selection tool. No need for the pen tool or pencil. Just adjust basic shapes and see what interesting creations emerge before you. Remember, mastering the direct selection tool opens up a world of possibilities in Illustrator. It's not just about selecting points. It's about transforming and refining your designs with precision and creativity. As we move forward, practice and experimentation will deepen your understanding of how anchor points influence design. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll explore advanced techniques and unleash your creativity in Illustrator. Thank you for joining today's session. If you have any questions or want to share your designs, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.